and thank you very much for joining this India Ethiopia International webinar. As you know that we are organizing this webinar. Can you hear me? All people are able to hear me? शिवम मेरी आवाज आ रही है? एक बार फिर से क्लियर कर लो.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we are organizing this since the last 2 weeks, and this is the third session. We started on 16th of August, and at that time even I was first speaker as a keynote address speaker. I do not think that I need any introduction to this forum, and in today's webinar session, we are two speakers, one myself, Rajmal Jain, and another is my colleague, Professor Bhagchand Bhaskar. And there is a guest speaker from California. So after my talk, I will invite Mr. Ram Gopalji Jain from USA, California to join, and I will invite him to give a brief address to all of us, and we need his solicit his blessings. Okay, now I would like to give a brief introduction of my today's presentation. In fact, I was not scheduled to speak on today, but you can say that I have just come in between because of the emergency, speakers, scholars which we had scheduled, but unfortunately, because of one or the other problem, they had to turn down, and I came to fill up the blank. Anyway, I wanted to speak on this subject since long, and so I got an opportunity to speak on this topic, the Karal civilization, signatures of Nigant tradition. Before I start my presentation, I would like to say a few initial remarks on this topic. All India Digambar Jain Mahasabha, Shivam, who is doing all this thing nonsense? Can you remove? All India Digambar Jain Mahasabha has a unit which is known as All India Digambar Jain Heritage Preservation Organization, and under the esteemed guidance and humble efforts of Shri Nirmal Kumarji Sethi, he is National President of All India Digambar Jain Mahasabha. So under his guidance, a team of about 10 to 12 scholars visited this year in the early January. So whole January month, we visited 3 countries, Peru, Guatemala, and Mexico, which comprise the countries of South America. And the Karal civilization, as well as the other civilization which is widely known all over the world, known as Maya civilization. So they are actually part of this South America. I would like to give in my today's presentation in slightly greater detail about the Karal civilization, and very brief about the Maya civilization in Guatemala. Some few pictures, few images from Mexico also. I would like to tell and prove with my best of knowledge about these old civilizations that they were actually the culture, tradition of Niganta. I would also like to start an initial remarks that you all know very well that in my last address on 16 August, I talked about signature of Jainism in Ethiopia, that is in African countries. And I gave some kind of evidences that the culture and temples which were built actually almost 3,000 years before. that is before the Bhagwan Mahavir and Parshnath. Now today, actually I am talking much older, much before than even the Tirthankar Neminath. As you know that all that Tirthankar Neminath was cousin brother of Lord Krishna. कृष्ण भगवान के cousin brother थे. And that is the story that takes me back all the way to almost 3000 years BCE, that is 5000 years plus before present, almost even 5500 years when the Mahabharata war took place, and that lot of violence took place at that time. So I am taking you today even much before the Mahabharata era. So this Karal civilization basically is although not firmly has been dated by scientists or archaeologists and anthropologists by employing scientific tools, but some work has been done, and accordingly they say that it is a prehistoric time. So that says, and some work which scientifically has been done, they also endorse that this Karal civilization belongs to somewhere 3000 to 5000 BCE, means between the 5000 to almost 8000 or 9000 years before present. So this is all what as a function of time we have to see that almost we are going today to the Neolithic period. And Neolithic period, you know very well that the initial civilization was started with few important achievements which science also endorses, few important technologies in which the six technologies are very important. And all those six technologies we know in India, they were started by first Tirthankar Rishabdev. The three are very widely known as Asi, Masi, and Krashi. That is defense technology, social culture, and agriculture. And three other including like society, education, and writing script. So all these things, if they are available or if we can see in other parts of the world, it means it has some relation with this Indian tradition over here. But if we go in the back history of Rishabdev, the first Tirthankar, we all know as a Jains that he was a king. He was a king of all the six continents of that time on the earth. जो छह महाद्वीप हैं उस समय के, उन छह महाद्वीप के वो राजा थे. And there is a literature which is available and it has been cited many times in the Shwetambar Acharya Hemchandracharya 1100 AD that Prabhu Rishabdev walked throughout the earth after taking his renunciation, after becoming monk, to all on the earth and disseminated the knowledge of Jainism. At that time, although this word Jainism was not there, but he started the whole religion, I should say, or a culture, a tradition he started with the three things. Number one, the universal compassion, जिसको कहते हैं सार्वभौमिक प्रेम और करुणा, universal love and universal compassion. That is what he taught, that we should love to each and every life on the earth. So the religion started with actually the religion of nature. He told that there are many organisms which are not visible, but we should have the same kind of treatment, the love and compassion with every life. The second was a tradition of known as a Shraman tradition, that is of meditation and a culture of following or practicing the various kinds of rules and regulations related to the nature, in accord to nature. The third is Nikantha, that is a meditation with the nudeness. That is, he, what we call is a monk. But in Sanskrit, there is a word, and that word says that Nikantha, that is Nikanch, is actually from Pali, and that is what it says, that Nigantha refers to the Jain monk as of today, because at that time there was no word Jain, but it is ascribed now, or this word is also available in Theravada glossary or dictionary of Buddhism. You know that Theravada is a big branch in Buddhism. If you go into the Pali, then the Pali says very clearly language that it is not Nirgrantha, but it is a Nigantha. And it says that Nigantha, that direct GA is there after NI, and there is no need of R. So this is some kind of a grammatical, and it has been also endorsed by Prakrit that yes, this is correct. So now I would like to say the three things. That one thing is a religion which started in India and in other parts of just like Egypt, etc. The similar kind of thing started in this part, that is in what we call as a South America. By literature, by history, we know that the civilization started somewhere in Mesopotamia. But after immediately that, there was a center of evolution of humanity with culture was observed, and history also gives evidence that in India, in Egypt, and some other parts of the world. But by and large, everywhere, the tradition of Shraman is can be witnessed. Even in Ethiopia, where we had been, even in Greece, even today, even in China, even I think even in Europe and America also. So this is the basic, I mean, some kind of a things which are available. And if I see now what kind of expertise was there in this kind of what Karal civilization, or let us say in Maya civilization, which is basically spread over all the South America where the Spanish kingdom was there. So I found few important things, and this I would like to highlight and correlate with the, I mean, our Jain tradition. The first important thing you see, I was also astonished when I saw that in Karal civilization there was signatures, and they were very important, that these people, even almost 7,000 years before, if I mark even the 5,000 BCE, then 7,000 years they were actually expert about the astronomy, so they were great astronomers. And everywhere we find the drawings, handmade drawings of the celestial objects. The second most important thing, they were great architects. So architecture was very important part. The third, they were great mathematicians. In calculations, they were very expert. But other thing, they were very great in agriculture and cultivation. And we can find various kinds of signatures of the 30 different villages which were observed. So then there was a art of writing and communication skill. They had, you see, the culture of Shraman. This is most important. And there was a science of soul. Janam Maran was very important. And in order to achieve that salvation. So there was a technology, and I will show a few idols which have been made about the Salekna, and then we found that this whole land was thickly populated by monks, and they knew the art of salvation. Now, I would like to take to all of you to the land which is known as land of sacred region, that is sacred city also you can say, that is the Karal, and Karal is composed of 30 different settlements in this north region of the Peru near the Pacific Ocean. So please remember, Pacific Ocean was very close to this whole Karal which I'm saying, and this how the Pacific Ocean became a devil to, uh, I mean, completely destroy this civilization. So let us go first to the Karal site in Peru, and this is the entrance gate. Now it is under the Department of Tourism, etc. And we have to pay, and then we can go inside, which is several, tens of kilometers inside that thing. I would like to say that the central place is there, and now just imagine that you are back to 7,000 years back. Don't think that you are in the current time. Don't think that you are in a gen of a current time. You think that you are almost 7 to 9,000 years back, when Prabhu Rishabdev or his fellow Arihant Tirthankars were there at that time. I am talking all the way before Neminath, as I told, or maybe even before Naminath also. So here, the whatever the things which were available is not those kind of big stones which I showed in my last lecture, where Sabian kind of structures were there. But here, the plain land is surrounded by small mountains which we call as a hillocks, and on the hillocks temples were built, and at the central place the some kind of a meditation worshipping the god, those kind of locations, regions were marked. So let me go first to the astronomy part. When we entered inside, and we found that there were actually pictures which were recently of course taken and put up over there, but it is written that the such kind of by open eye observations they were marking the stars, and then they were making the figures to remember, and even they were making the such kind of figures on the land, on the surface of the earth also. So you can see this one picture is here, the second is another kind of, so these are nothing but the constellations which they were identifying, and they were using this location of the constellation as well as the motion of the stars and motion of the sun and moon through these constellations for the various kind of political, social, cultural occasions. Then I would like to show you the here with the pebbles. Even now they have reworked also from the old work after the disaster, and they have shown here. You can see the picture of the our Milky Way galaxy, where the number of it is a spiral shape, and it is still, on that whatever the structure was there, they have reworked over there. You can see here the original kind of work which they did, and here they wanted to make stars, you see, along the each branch of this whole Milky Way galaxy over there, and this has been done with wooden sticks over there. So this is the one which very briefly I wanted to show you their expertise in astronomy field. Let me actually start my presentation with the one movie, very small movie video, which you can take an impression. You can see that here some Spanish person is giving introduction brief to us, our whole team, and we had taken Professor Murad of Aligarh Muslim University from here, from India, who knows how to translate Spanish to English. He is here, you can see in the green t-shirt. And now let me, Professor Murad saying in English. Okay, so this what Professor Murad says that this is an official site of the Karal temples. Karal Supe, Soupe, Supe is means the sacred land. That is the here it means something was there which just like what we say Ganga is a sacred river. So this is a Karal is the Pujaniya Sthal, that is a best worship place of the Peru. Here the black flags on this mountain temple which is now devastated, but the black flag means to restrict the people to come on this mountain and see over here. But unfortunately or fortunately, I don't know what to say, but few of us went all the way up to see what, and we found is very surprising. We found the different rooms kind of there, what we call in a temple, you know, the Garbhagriha, Mandap Graha, and Sabhagraha. So similar kind of things has been constructed in these mountains and temples on these mountains. And every temple has stairs first, and then along with, I mean, side by side of the temple, there is a residential house of the pujari, the who is the main person who takes care, or the pandit what we call, who I mean enables us to worship in a some kind of a traditional way, so of the Shraman culture. So he was also now from four sides. You just see in the 4 pi space. If I stand in the center, then all my four sides, that is east, west, south, and north, all the four directions in the four mountains, there were temples. And those temples, along with, you can see here from a distance I have taken, these are the members which you can see of our team. About 13, 14 members were there. I mean, our president, Shri Nirmal Kumarji Sethi, Sneha Rani Jain, my another colleague who is going to speak today, Professor Bhagchand Bhaskar, etc. So Dr. Brajesh, and as I told Dr. Murad also. So these temples you can see that, and totally when the water, I mean from the tsunami from the Pacific Ocean, which perhaps appears that did a big disaster in this site, but still, I mean many remnants are there. Now at the center of you can see, and I would like to show, if you can see that my this arrow, my mouse, these are the places of the monk shelter over here. Can you see one by one? There is some kind of a sleeping bed system. But here I would like to tell you very clearly that because in the lack of big rocks, here only from the mountains, small stones were available and they made use of that. But here the soil is of very great importance because it was just like a cement. You can see the color also. And so they used this clay and the small, I mean, stones, and made all this kind of a bed for the monks over here. And this is the surround, I mean, in the center of this four-sided mountains, this was some kind of a Sabhagraha, Mandapgraha, and Garbhagriha are there. So you can see over here the walls which have been made over here, and still they have been now maintained by the restoration department. The roads are developed in between some rough roads, and you can see here Professor Sneha Rani Jain, Madam, Professor Bhakchand Bhaskar along with me, and Dr. Murad, I think, of Brajesh is there. And can you see here on the my right side picture, I'm just showing by this mouse, there is a stone. And this stone, actually, this I found in Ethiopia also, in other countries also, and I found the same thing over here. And this one single standing stone is at the center of the four-sided mountains, and people, whatever they told in their language and whatever has was translated, we could take first order impression. We are not, I mean, honestly, I would like to say we are not sure, but this was some kind of a big stone which was available to them at this time, or it was broken, we don't know, but this was acting like a manak stamp for all the four-sided temples. Now, we have to do much more in-depth research work to prove such kind of things. Now here I would like to tell you something, that you can see this thing, this all surrounded by the walls over here. This was the place where the monks were giving teaching to the younger monks. You can say Gurushala was there over here, or Patshala of the monks, and similar kind of a bigger Sabhagraha the monks were addressing to the common folk of this Karal city. As I told earlier, Karal city is comprised of the 30 settlements, that is 30 villages over nearby in this area. This is the great thing. This is a big achievement by us. You can see that of that time. Again, I would like to tell you, please don't think in present time. You have to go in the Neolithic time, and whatever they had at that time facilities, so they made with the mud and clay and all that, this Abhishek uh, Kund and Abhishek place. This is the place where they were putting the statue. I think I have one high resolution. Can you see over here? This is the place, and then the Abhishek Jal was going over here, and then it was coming to this Kund, and then it was going, outlet is also there. So this is the what kind of thing. You please think, although the top layer, that is the coating, has been done to protect it, but this is what the tradition for the Abhishek was there at that time, and it was, and at that time I think it was being done at one place, so all the people were gathering over here, at least of the Karal city, and they were doing jointly over here. So this is the big achievement of our team, that to investigate this Abhishek, and this is what of modern time, a little, I mean later time, not modern time, I showed in Ethiopia, that is Sabian time, almost 3000 years before, made of the stone with the carving also. Now these are the structures which I told of the mountains where the temples were there. Now at some places some ruins are there, some temples are completely destroyed, but still, I mean, you can see the in the steps some structures are left. So we went all the way to the top of this every mountain and found what I told you, that Garbhgraha, Mandapgraha, etc. on that top place. Now here is one another site where they were doing, perhaps people, whatever they gave in their lecture, the meaning of this is some kind of a yagna, but whether yagna was being done at that time or not, I don't know. But this is the, all the people were sitting in the stairs. This is all the some kind of a stairs, open theater where the people were sitting, or some kind of a yagna or vidhan. I should say in our Jainism term, some vidhan was being conducted over here, because I am talking about the Shraman culture. Then the next is where the, I mean, excavation is going on by the American team and other countries, where the most important site where the Shraman culture we can witness. And that is very well, I would like to show. This is the one big circular ground, you can say, where the Sabhagraha, which is the chief monk, जो हमारा आचार्य, so Acharya was addressing from the top place, and people were sitting over here. I would like to show in other direction side, and we can go in the top, and then the many things are actually something like a Gupta Graha, or that is some kind of a cave inside where many idols are made, and they are have shown different kind of a postures. These are the one you can see Samlekhna, you know very well. So these are the various signs or postures or various stages of Samlekhna. And again, I would like to humbly request you to think about the art and craft almost 7 to 9,000 years, and whatever they were knowing how to draw or make. So this is made on a stone by carving with their stone tools, etc. But they want to show here that the various kind of meditation form, and you can see here, I would like to say, just almost before the stage and then the final stage over here of the I mean moksha. So various kinds of this samlekhna postures, and these are is basically below the surface of the temple. And so what happens, actually what happened, I was trying to take picture from the top because we were not allowed to go in at the bottom side. And you can see even here also the various another postures of tap, that meditation. And then Keshloch. Can you see? Can you? I mean, this is a best what I can do from my this PPT. But definitely, if you see over there, then the Keshloch is very clearly can be seen in this. And then after Keshloch, what kind of tapa, that meditation we are doing, our monks are doing. This is my team, some of the members over there with the ambassador of Peru, and he gave blessings and he promised us to help in all the ways. And he, in fact, sent, deputed one of deputy ambassador to our conference which we started. So this, whatever I showed the pictures, is the visit of our whole team on 11 January and 12 January to this Karal site, and nearby to Karal site. And on from 13, 14 and 15, we organized the conference in the San Marcos University, which is the, I mean, oldest university on this earth. It is almost, people say, 450 years old, during the, I mean, Spanish people ruled over there. Okay, now I'm coming to the next destination. After completion of our visit to Peru, we went to Guatemala. And in Guatemala, the major place of the Maya civilization is Trikal. And Trikal is basically some kind of a structures which we were able to see is of a Samosharan type. And in fact, if I would like to extend my all this work along with our whole team of Mahasabha, that whatever temples we saw even in the Karal city, they were also of the type of Samosharan, but unfortunately because of the great big tsunami at that time from the Pacific Ocean, which is only hardly 2 to 3 kilometers away, and we could listen in a movie the all the time that water is coming towards this side. I have a movie also, but I have not included perhaps in this. So uh, those temples were also of the Samosharan kind of thing. They were made on the mountains, and I have many pictures of this Trikal site of Guatemala, where in this whole zone, the Samosharan kind of temperatures, even on the plains as well in the mountain sides. And Nirmalji, Babuji, and Bhakchandji Bhaskar and myself, we three people went over there to the Guatemala as well as to Mexico. And Murad also joined us in Mexico. So we had a big tour of this, and you can see. Now the important thing which I want to show here is two things. One is the priest, that is main pujari or pandit. He was living in the top of this. So later on he was giving addresses that all pravachans, and the people were sitting here in the grounds. This is what we heard. another kind of thing which different. And here also, again, I would like to say that all these Samosharan temples are all in omnidirection, that is in four pi space, that is in north, south, east, west, in all the four directions. You can see a little close up of that, and you can see, can I have your attention over the stone like a Manak stump over here also. So one temple is here, the other is on the other side, that is in front of this, and the left and right. So now you can see the other one also. So we can climb by this, but it is very difficult to climb. In fact, we have to go from the inside, and nowadays it has been closed from inside because of the various reasons. But if we really want to do the research work, then we should go inside and probe the internal structure. Now I would like to tell you again here, as I told that their expertise was in astronomy and but architecture and agriculture, etc. So if we see in Peru or in Guatemala, the artwork, the design of this whole temples was based on some calculation, big mathematics of the astronomical calculations, and the architecture shape was given in such a way everywhere that the sun comes or the moon comes in their light, and then they do the calculations of the calendar, etc. You can see in this picture, which is very close to one of the temple on the one side. Actually, I went in the corner and it was there on the, so four sides some images are there. You can see here just like a Kshetrapal, our Rakshakpal kind of thing. You can see here in the hand something, and it is almost matching because it is now slightly destroyed here and there, and the stone is like a sandstone. So we cannot, but I could mark over there very clearly, unambiguously, explicitly clear that it is just like a Rakshakpal over there, just in front of the temple. And we could see in Guatemala, in the museum, various kinds of small idols made of the stone, although not very strong stone, but something like calcium hydroxide, limestone, and some other kinds of things. But you can see here very clearly the some kind of a monk with the various kind of a phases or postures of the meditation. I would like to show here the various kinds of things which were done. Now this, some people say these kinds of symbols, this kind of figures, they were related all the way to Shraman culture 7,000, 9,000 years before. This is very important. Nowadays we are not finding, and I humbly request to all the audience, if you find this kind of figures in India, then please contact us or to our Mahasabha, because this is very important, whether this kind of a Shraman culture was existing in South America, because this kind of thing we show in Greece and this Kenya, but not in Ethiopia. So this is very important. Now I would like to show that very important architecture which now modern people have done in their museum. They have put up that how these people of Karal or Maya civilization, they were intelligent. First they were making this kind of a real artwork map to design this Samosharan kind of a temple, and to design the residential area for the monks, for the people, etc. And then they were proceeding to build the whole art, buildings. You can see here another picture, and these are the actually models have been kept by the modern tourism department based on the work done by earlier people, and whatever the remnants are there. You can see here and here that residency of the monks over there, and this is the what our Tikal type temple over there. So this is what basically suggests, endorses that they were really great mathematicians also, along with architecture knowledge. and they were doing very good calculation, and then they were starting the design and developing the buildings. This is what I told. They were also, the women and other people were expert in the art work, and at that time we can see such kind of artwork in India also, and on the colors. Now colors, how they were doing, they of different colors stones and different color of plants, they were mixing together, and they were making some kind of a paint, and they were doing painting on the pots and other house and other buildings, etc. I could find number of this our Kamandal of Sadhu in this Karal, as well as in Tikal also, as well as in even Mexico also. So this is available everywhere, and this Kamandal is almost same the one which I showed, which we got in Ethiopia also. So many Kamandals. So this endorses that monks in numbers, thousands in numbers, were at that time, and they were practicing the Shraman culture. These are the various postures of the yogas, tapasyas, etc. This is Shavasana. Then this is what we call part of Kayotsarg, sitting various. Do not know completely about different names of the different postures, but you can see, and they are small and very well preserved by the Department of Tourism, and the in the glass cabinets, the old structures you can see. And here this picture, particularly this kind of meditation posture, is in Peru, it is in Guatemala, and it is in Mexico. Everywhere we found over there, and this appears that by sitting and then completely closing, almost like a okay, by नहीं नहीं उसका नाम है कुछ I mean this what when we Mahavir Bhagwan, when he was doing the eyes half closed, Nasa Drashti, I should say Nasa Drashti. So this Nasa Drashti, sitting like this and forgetting the whole body, this was very important. And you can, I would like to also make you your kind attention that the please see on the ears and the face. So these were the faces almost 9,000 years BC, and now the science people believe that yes, if these are the kind of broad faces, broad face, just like our Rishabdev or Bahubali we call, and even much earlier than this kind of with the long ears, etc. It means this tradition belongs to the almost 7,000 BCE, means almost 9,000 years, that is Neolithic period. So these are the actually inscription in or written over there in the Latin language, that is Spanish language over there, which says that how old is the Karal Maya civilization, etc. And these people, that is South American people, who were actually belonging almost 5,000 to 7,000 years BC to the Shraman culture, but later on, just recently in last 2,000 years or little before, with the induction of the different kind of cultures and religions, they were forced to adopt the non-vegetarian culture, etc. As we noticed that they were actually vegetarian people. And me, I got a very good opportunity along with Babuji, Mr. Nirmal Sethi. We went to explore some people in Guatemala in some kind of a exhibition, Mela cell, and we found few people of real Maya civilization people still, and we talked to them, and we could find one lady who could speak English, etc. Although she is now non-vegetarian, she told very honestly and clearly, but she told whatever the story that because although she was young, but her parents and grandparents, they were old, and they endorsed it, that yes, they were vegetarian people, and their civilization, and they used the word also of the Shraman culture. So this we actually, in this hurricane kind of a visit of 2 to 3 days, we cannot explore all the 3 4 countries. But I'm really very thankful to Mr. Nirmal Sethi Babuji to make this trip very successful. I am also thankful to Professor Hector of the Department of Religious Studies, International Religion of that San Marcos University, who arranged our visits, etc., in Peru, and different ambassadors of Peru, Guatemala, and Mexico. So, with the end, I would like to show the some houses. Just if you see the tradition of houses of this Maya people or this Karal, that although in Karal everything is finished, but Maya people in whatever the leftover in Guatemala as well as in Mexico, what I found the similarity exactly this kind of houses I could see in Porbandar in Gujarat, and similarly in Rajasthan also, and this same tradition, or even the Mahatma Gandhi's house is also of similar kind of nature. I have seen his house in Porbandar and in other parts of Gujarat also, in Kathiawad, etc. So this there is a very much similarity, and this suggests me that it means some kind of a Shraman culture. There was some tradition of all the kind of architecture things, including this house building, etc. So with this, I would like to say thank you with my picture on 26 January, 26 January ka Ganatantra Divas. We enjoyed with the ambassador of Mexico, and he was very happy to welcome me. My other colleagues, Nirmal ji, Bhaskar ji also, and he was happy to give me a picture with him. With this, I would like to say thank you very much to all of you. And now, uh, if you have some questions, then I would like to take questions for 10 minutes. And after my presentation, now this question hour, I would like to invite श्री राम गोपाल जी जैन, अगर वो कनेक्ट हो गए हैं कैलिफोर्निया से, आई वुड लाइक टू invite him to give his blessings and some comments on our this work, as well as related to the Maya civilization. Whether he has connected, Shivam, he's there. Shivam, can you hear me? Hello, आप लोग को सुनाई दिया कि नहीं?
Yes, yes, yes.
मेरी आवाज जा रही थी कि नहीं, कि मैं ऐसे ही बोल रहा था?
नहीं, आ रही थी.
Okay, so can you see that there is a Mr. Ram Gopal Jain साहब हैं, हाथ खड़ा करें हैं, otherwise.
हाँ जी, है. हाँ राजमल जी.
हेलो. हाँ है क्या?
जी नहीं, धर्मचंद जैन है.
नहीं, धर्मचंद जी नहीं, आज कैलिफोर्निया से राम गोपाल जी जैन करके उनका टेलीफोन भी आया था कि वो आज जुड़ेंगे. वो जुड़े होंगे, देखो तुम.
ठीक है. राम्स आईफोन नाम से कोई डिवाइस है. जी मैंने स्पॉटलाइट किया है, देखो एक बार.
कहाँ किया है तुमने स्पॉटलाइट?
आप पीडीएफ अपना ये बंद कीजिए ना, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग.
अच्छा, मैं स्क्रीन शेयर ही हटा देता हूँ, है ना?
ठीक है.
अरे नहीं हटा यार. अभी क्या हो रहा है? मैं दिखाई दे रहा हूँ?
नहीं, आपकी स्क्रीन अभी भी दिखाई दे रही है. आप ना जूम में जाइए.
अरे एक सेकेंड यार. हाँ, अभी जूम में गया.
जाने नहीं, अभी भी नहीं. वो मीटिंग का जो ग्रीन है ना, उस पे टैप कीजिए ना आप एक बार.
मीटिंग का ग्रीन, ओके. अरे यार, ये वाला ग्रीन,
वो जो एरो है ना, एरो,
ये वाला.
हाँ, उस एरो पे क्लिक कीजिए.
हाँ, ये किया मैंने.
स्टॉप स्क्रीन शेयरिंग नाम से कोई ऑप्शन होगा, देखिए ना. ठीक है, मैं ही कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, चलो. हाँ, ये देखो, अब स्पॉटलाइट है.
आप कर दीजिए।
नहीं, अभी भी स्पॉटलाइट है, पे स्पॉटलाइट पे देखो ना।
हाँ हाँ
यही है ना?
हाँ हाँ। Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, sir? आप मेरी आवाज आपको आ रही है राम गोपाल जी?
अनम्यूट योर फोन, अनम्यूट योर फोन।
हेलो राम गोपाल जी, अपना टेलीफोन अनम्यूट करेंगे?
कर दिया सर, कर दिया मैंने।
हाँ, कौन राम गोपाल जी बोल रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, मैं राम गोपाल जैन बोल रहा हूँ।
जी जी जी, मैं आपका इंतजार कर रहा हूँ। हाँ सर, आई humbly invite you to give your kind blessing address for 10 minutes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm grateful to you for giving me 10 minutes. And I was listening the whole speech for 1 hour about your visit to Guatemala and Peru and all that. I am giving you a very breaking news for you that
Yes.
your research is over. There is a breaking news. I'm in my hand. This Ancient Maya. You can see the book. Ancient
Yes.
Maya. This is 931 pages, and this is written by this author. This is the 6th edition. When
Yes.
Nirmal Kumar Sethi ji visited my house last year,
Yes.
and I discussed the whole issue. I am a student of Jainism since 1960. Now I'm 78. Now, when I visited a library in my area and asked them to give me about the Maya culture, they gave me this book. I read the whole thing. In this book, I am going to read of only 2 paragraphs in English, which will show that there was a human shaman culture,
Very good.
which we have discussed a number of times in your speech now. I'm now
Yes.
reading now.
Okay. So you,
I'm reading.
so
I'm
you,
reading.
so you are
I'm reading, sir.
you are endorsing my
I-
presentation.
Yes, I'm endorsing what you have said. It is 100% okay. Now
Okay.
our research is over. It's a breaking news for the whole world that 12,000 years ago, there was Asians went to this South America and they were following this Jainism. I'm now reading, sir. You will understand what I'm talking to you. Now,
Okay.
please listen to everybody. The Maya saw their world as an ordered place controlled by an array of deities. This order stemmed from the predictable movements of the sky wanderers. The celestial deities will label the sun, moon, planets, and stars. Each marks its own cycle. Each marks its own cycle of time defined by birth. We are talking about birth also. Birth,
Yes.
life, and death, to be followed by rebirth as the cycle was repeated. That means birth and death is defined in Jainism. This is confirmed now. These deities maintain the world, order, and cycles of time, provided the humans behave properly, especially in observing prescribed rituals and making appropriate offerings. But these deities could also cause misfortune and punish those who failed in their obligation. Misfortune and unpredictable events, disease like this corona, droughts, earthquakes, and other disasters were thus explained as the actions of wakeful deities expressing their displeasure with human beings. One paragraph is over, sir. Now,
Yes.
next paragraph, in
Okay.
which you will find the word shaman. Shaman, that means shaman means हमारे दिगंबर मुनि को श्रवण कहते हैं.
Yes.
Now, I say I'm a student of Jainism since 1960. I was invited in 95 by Jaina in the Federation of Jaina in Chicago, and I visited in 97 with Shri Nirmal Kumar Sethi ji Jaina Convention in Toronto. Now, this paragraph says, now, this paragraph, a Maya society became more complex. Occupational specialists emerged. One of these specialists, the shaman, the word is shaman, S-H-A-M-A-N, shaman, assumed responsibility for the relationship between humans and supernatural forces. But the ultimate origins of shamanism can be traced back to Asia. Now I'm talking, this word is Asia. That means Asia means India also. And probably arrived in the Americas with the first migrants. Because America is an immigrant country, and these people, 12,000 years ago, they came from Asia, the first migrant into this new continent. Shamans use medical substances, knowledge of illness, and appeals to unseen forces to cure the sick. हमारे दिगंबर साधुओं को भी रिद्धियां होती थी, वो वे बता रहे हैं. हम पूजा में भी पढ़ते हैं रिद्धि के बारे में. Belief in their abilities explains some of their success, but some of their substances used by shamans have real beneficial effects. Shamans are often credited with the ability to leave their bodies and take the spiritual journeys to the supernatural world. आपको ज्ञान होगा सबको, कुन आचार्य अपने शरीर को छोड़ के विदेश क्षेत्र चले गए थे. This is what they are saying now. After leaving the body, he went to Videsh Kshetra. Now we are in Bharat Kshetra. Shamans also communicate with the supernatural by divination, reading the will of gods by performing rituals. Belief in these special abilities gives shamans power over other members of society. The earliest Maya shamans probably also developed the beginnings of the calendar system and maintained the world order by keeping track of the various cycles reckoned by the moments of the sky wonder. The most practical benefit of this knowledge was the ability to predict the annual coming of the rainy season, allowing farmers to choose the proper time to plant and workers. It has been argued that the concept of the divine kings involved in the life classical from earlier shamanistic roots. In essence, that each classic ruler performed as a shaman for the polity he ruled. There is a merit in this proposal, for both kings and priests probably had their origins in far earlier shamanism and probably perpetuated claimants and shamanistic practice in their animal. A society became larger and more complex in the politic full-time spaces in both religions and political regions there. Since the management of the supernatural was an important source of power, it became a fundamental concern of the ruling state, both to reinforce the submission involving the management. This is what I had said. I'm showing you. I'm reading. This is two only paragraphs. Now, yes. My point is, sir, the author of this book is written here, and this is the 6th edition. Now, yes, my point is, sir, your research is over. You have been successful for the total visit, and this is the evidence. In this book, I'm carrying it to India. Now I'm coming to India very shortly, and I've collected this book also, and I have 5-6 sets also, which will be delivered to all the authors and the scholars. Now, I want to say one thing more also in 2 minutes. I'm now reciting the Mangalacharana. Jiva Majivam Dabbam Janavarvasena Jenani Ditam De Vindi Vandamande De Vindi Vandetam Sabdasa. This universe consists of Jiva and the Ajiva. There is no creator of this universe. There is no God. God is only Siddha, we call it. But there is no creation. It is all natural. Now, we are discussing only Jiva and Ajiva, living matter and non-living matter. The modern science has studied only non-living matter. And the scientists, that means our saints, shamans are scientists, they have studied Atma also, and we can go up to the moksha. Samyak darshan Gyan Charitrani Moksha Marga. This is the way to Samyak Jnana. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes. First of all, thank you very much, because it is the night in California and you were waking up over there to join us and to give your kind blessings. I really say, sir, thank you very much for your kind words.
Thanks.
And
Thank you very much to Nirmal. Thank you very much to Sethi ji and you and Bhaskar ji and everybody to give me time.
yes, it's our pleasure and our duty also. And but I would like to say, as I told, that this Shraman culture in South America, and those people were rather more intelligent, which I found from my researches, than over here. They were architect, they were great mathematician, and they were having good knowledge of the soul. You see, science of the soul, Samlekhna and all these things, and they were great Shramans were there on that side. So I think what really will be important is to find out the history between 5,000 to 12,000 years before now, before present. That is very important. Number one, you told in the book it is written Asia. The name Asia, America, and Europe, all these are very new names only. Very. But what I told in the beginning, and you also know, the Prabhu Rishabdev was the king of the Chaikhand, all this on the earth. Okay. So anyway, very good, sir. And kindly, I humbly request, as soon as you come to India, we would like to have some kind of a meeting. Sometimes if Corona goes out, then we will meet. And I would like to have a copy of the book also. Thank you very much. Now I would like to invite, if there is any question on my presentation, the शिवम बेटा, किसी का दिख रहा है प्रश्न? कोई क्वेश्चन है किसी का?
धर्मचंद जैन नाम से है।
There are
धर्मचंद जैन जी।
धर्मचंद जैन जी, हाँ प्लीज। यस यस, धर्मचंद जी को कहिए। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। जय जिनेंद्र सर, अनम्यूट करिए उनका।
अनम्यूट योर डिवाइस।
धर्मचंद जी, आप अपना अनम्यूट करेंगे? हाँ हाँ, आवाज आई कुछ। धर्मचंद जी अनम्यूट करेंगे?
हेलो।
हाँ
जी
यार,
मैं आपका धन्यवाद और राम गोपाल जी का धन्यवाद। राम गोपाल जी मेरे मित्र हैं, भाई के बराबर हैं
जी,
और वो बहुत कार्य कर रहे हैं इस पर। मेरा उनसे दिन में 3 बार संपर्क रहता है। सेठी साहब से भी
जी,
सेठी साहब से भी मेरा रोज संपर्क रहता है
जी।
और सेठी साहब ने मुझे हरियाणा प्रांत का अध्यक्ष बनाया हुआ है।
जी, मुझे पता है सर।
हाँ जी, धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका।
हाँ जी, सेठी जी ने मुझे भी जो है ये ऑल इंडिया दिगंबर जैन हेरिटेज प्रिजर्वेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मुझे भी उपाध्यक्ष बना रखा है।
बहुत बहुत अच्छा है।
हाँ, नहीं, मुझे उससे कोई ज्यादा वो नहीं होता है। मेरा एक ड्यूटी मैं मानता हूँ कि इतना बड़ा उम्र वाला आदमी, ही इज 84 ईयर नाउ एंड ही हैज सो मच एंथुसिज्म टू डू वर्क ऑल ओवर द, आई मीन टू वॉक ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, एंड पूरा कहते हैं ना शरीर के अंदर जैनिज्म ढूंढो, उसी का ही जुनून लगा हुआ है। तो इट बिकम्स माय ड्यूटी टू हेल्प हिम एंड टू वर्क विथ हिम। वाइस प्रेसिडेंट वगैरह सब ठीक है, कोई ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं है,
कुछ नहीं है, वो
उनके
सब
साथ
वही है।
मजा आता है, इसलिए हम जुड़े हुए हैं।
बिल्कुल, यही मेरा विषय है, उनके साथ जुड़ने का। और मैं तो उनसे 30 साल से साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ
जी।
बहुत बहुत आपसे सुना, अच्छा लगा। राम गोपाल जी का बहुत डीप नॉलेज कर रहे हैं वो जी। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी। जय जिनेंद्र।
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। है, थैंक यू।
जय जिनेंद्र, जय
जिनेंद्र। शिवम, दूसरा कोई प्रश्न है बेटा? कमेंट कोई?
जी नहीं, अगला कोई किसी को कोई प्रश्न तो नहीं है। अगर किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो अपने मोबाइल के राइट हैंड कॉर्नर में मोर नाम के एक ऑप्शन है, वहां पे जाके अपना हैंड रेज कीजिए ताकि हम आपके क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकें। अगर कोई कुछ कहना चाहता है तो अपना हैंड रेज कीजिए। हाँ जी, जसवंत शाह नाम से कोई डिवाइस है।
हाँ, उनको कहिए अनम्यूट। हाँ, जसवंत जी शाह, हाँ बिल्कुल, वापी वाले। हाँ जसवंत जी अनम्यूट करेंगे।
अपना वीडियो ऑन करिए।
हेलो,
बोलिए।
आपका वीडियो नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है जसवंत
अच्छा,
जी।
वीडियो में ऑन नहीं किया था, सॉरी।
हाँ, वीडियो ऑन करें।
ओके ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट, जस्ट ऑन नहीं हो रहा है वीडियो, ऑन नहीं हो रहा है
कोई बात नहीं, आप
अनफॉर्चुनेटली।
अपना प्रश्न पूछिए अगर या कमेंट है तो।
Request if you can put this video, I mean recorded thing, so that I can
शिवा,
forward it to my grandson who is studying for history in Dubai, so that it will be much helpful to him also.
आई एम सॉरी, आपने क्या कहा? मुझे कुछ कहा आपने?
आपका ये जो रिकॉर्डिंग हुआ ना आज
हाँ
का,
हाँ जी,
वो अगर मुझे भेज सके या तो
हाँ हाँ
यूट्यूब पे, तो आई कैन सेंड इट टू माय ग्रैंडसन हु इज
ओके,
स्टडीइंग फॉर हिस्ट्री एट दुबई.
हाँ
So
हाँ
it will be of great help to him. Unfortunately, I got the message yesterday evening only, late night. Otherwise,
यस।
I would have forwarded to him and he would have joined directly from there.
नहीं, मैं ये जो हमारा बेटा है शिवम उधर, मैं शिवम
हाँ,
को रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, शिवम बेटा आज ही इसका जो लिंक है मुझे भेज दो, ठीक है?
जी आज अपलोड नहीं हो सकता, पोजीशन की वजह से कंप्यूटर
अच्छा,
बिजी है,
कोई
हम कल अपलोड करके दे देंगे।
कल अपलोड करके फिर लिंक भेज दो, है बेटा? हाँ हाँ
हाँ जी
ठीक
ठीक
है।
है।
ओके जसवंत जी, मैं आपको
Okay,
लिंक
okay. Thank you very much, sir. And please keep informed me
यस।
as and when such things are there also. I shall be highly obliged.
ना ना, ऑब्लाइज का जरूरत नहीं
नहीं
है
नहीं,
सर। हाँ नहीं
अपने
नहीं, ऑब्लाइज का जरूरत नहीं है।
श्वेत
आई एम वेरी
रत्नाकर
हैप्पी,
से भी, श्वेत
आई एम
रत्नाकर
ग्लेड
से भी
दैट।
सुना था,
हाँ जी
श्वेत
जी
रत्नाकर से भी सुना था, और
जी
अभी अहिंसा के बारे में भी आपका सुना, और इस तरह
जी
से
जी।
that will,
मैं तो जैन धर्म की सेवा के अंदर लगा हूँ। राम गोपाल जी ने शायद अभी मेरे
बराबर
दूसरे प्रवचन व्याख्यान नहीं सुने हैं वो उनको भी सुनाएंगे, भेजूंगा मैं उनको, उनका व्हाट्सएप अगर नंबर भेजेंगे तो। ओके, इफ देयर इज नो
नेक्स्ट
अदर
क्वेश्चन
क्वेश्चन। अच्छा हाँ हाँ, पूछिए पूछिए, बुलाई हाँ हाँ यस।
अपना
हाँ
डिवाइस
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अनम्यूट करके बोलेंगे क्वेश्चन। हेलो
आप सभी को जय जिनेंद्र। मेरा नाम दीपक जैन, गुरुग्राम से
जी।
मैं सेठी जी के साथ लगभग 1 वर्ष से जुड़ा हूँ, और मैं हैरत में हूँ कि इस आयु में कैसे वो प्रेरणा कहाँ से ले रहे हैं, और इतना ट्रैवलिंग उनकी और इतना समय देना जैन धर्म के काम के लिए, मुझे आश्चर्य भी है और प्रेरणा भी मिलती है उनसे। तो मैं निवेदन ये कर रहा हूँ, आज की इतनी सुंदर आपकी कार्यशाला जो हुई है, कि हमारे में से इस कार्यशाला के परिणाम स्वरूप कुछ वॉलंटियर्स निकलने चाहिए, जो अपना समय इस काम में और अपनी एनर्जी इस काम के अंदर सेठी साहब के साथ डिवोट कर सकें एज ए टीम मेंबर। अपने में से 1 जन, 2 जन, 4 जन निकलने चाहिए। खाली हम भी सुन के वाहवाही कर दें, खाली उतने से परिणाम नहीं आएगा, सबकी एनर्जी साथ में लगनी चाहिए। इतना ही मेरा निवेदन है। सेठी साहब जैसे कहेंगे, जहां चाहेंगे, उतना समय जैसे चाहेंगे, मैं देने को व्यक्तिगत रूप से तैयार हूं। बाकी सबसे अपेक्षा रखता हूं। धन्यवाद
जी। थैंक यू वेरी मच विपुल जी, आपका बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ मैं। आपने अपनी इच्छा बताई, और मैं आपको, आप सभी से, जितने भी ऑडियंस में लोग हैं, यू ऑल आर माई एम्बेसडर्स। इनफैक्ट किसी भी एज में है, यू ऑल आर माई एम्बेसडर्स टू डिसेमिनेट एंड टू प्रोपेगेट द जैनिज्म। तन मन धन से जिस तरह से सेठी जी लगे, सभी को लगना पड़ेगा। और सेठी जी इस प्रयास में है, मैं आपको सही बता रहा हूँ कि वो यंग जो टीम है, वो यंगर लोगों की टीम भी तैयार कर रहे हैं, और उसमें आपने बताया कि आप भी अपना समय देंगे। मैं आपका बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच। हाँ
जी अगला प्रश्न है हंसमुख गांधी।
हाँ लगाइए। हाँ 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 हाँ, जय जिनेंद्र।
अरे बहुत बढ़िया, आपने बड़ा शानदार रिसर्च पेपर आज बताया दिया, बहुत नॉलेजेबल, और जैनिज्म को तो शानदार सपोर्ट करेगा ये। एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि ये पूछा जाता है कि ये जैसे आपने 1 या 2 कंट्री, अभी तक ऐसा आपको कितना लगा कि कितने कंट्री में जैनिज्म की रूट है अभी, और कितना स्कोप है कि आदरणीय सेठी साहब तो खैर यंग है ही हैं, और उनका जो एंथुसिज्म है और उनकी जो इच्छा शक्ति है कि मैं कहीं भी उनको आज कहो कि चलो इथोपिया चलो तो शायद शाम को चलेंगे साथ में। तो ये है। तो मैं और आप कहाँ तक सोचते हैं कि और कहाँ हो सकता है जैनिज्म जहाँ पर अभी जाने से फायदा होगा और वी कैन सर्च द रूट्स ऑफ जैनिज्म देयर?
हाँ, आपका प्रश्न बहुत अच्छा है। मैं इसका जवाब देखिए इस तरह से देना चाहता हूँ। आप पहले कंट्रीज के हिसाब से तो हम अभी देख रहे हैं, लेकिन कंटिनेंट्स जो महाद्वीप हैं, तो लगभग हर महाद्वीप के अंदर, जैसे हमने एशिया में तो लगभग काफी सारे देशों के अंदर जो जैनिज्म की खोज की है, जैसे कंबोडिया है, इंडोनेशिया है, फिलीपींस है, और श्रीलंका है, बांग्लादेश है, ऑलमोस्ट मैनी कंट्रीज, जावा, सुमात्रा एक्सेट्रा। तो वहां तो है ये बात की इंडोर्स भी हो चुका है। जैसे ये अपना बैंकॉक जहां पर वो है, जिसकी कैपिटल थाईलैंड। हाँ, थाईलैंड में बहुत। लेकिन मुझे हसमुख जी सबसे बड़ा सरप्राइज तब हुआ जब इस एशिया के जो कंट्रीज हैं इनके अंदर जो जैनिज्म का जब देखा, और उससे पहले यानी एशिया के अंदर जितना भी जैनिज्म कल्चर है, दैट इज आफ्टर पारसनाथ एंड महावीर। ओके, हो सकता है कि उससे पहले का हो, लेकिन शायद जो इन्वेडर्स आए या किसी और की वजह से हमारे पास अभी जो है वो केवल ये दिखता है कि जो पारसनाथ और आफ्टर महावीर की बात थी, और हम सब लोग भी वही गाना गाते रहते हैं। लेकिन जब ये इथियोपिया की बात हुई और इथियोपिया में चंदा प्रभु जी का मंदिर और भगवान आदिनाथ का मंदिर जो मिला, उसकी सारी डेटिंग वगैरह कंफर्म हो चुकी है, वो दैट इज बिफोर 3000 ईयर्स बिफोर प्रेजेंट। यानी उस समय ना तो पारसनाथ भगवान हुए थे, महावीर भी नहीं हुए थे। तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज वो हुआ। और वहाँ की जो पूरी कल्चर और ट्रेडिशन, नॉट ओनली श्रवण, लेकिन जो साधुओं की जो क्रियाएं होती हैं, जो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि जिससे मोक्ष की क्रियाएं के लिए, मोक्ष के लिए, तो जिसको मैं अक्सर ये बोलता हूँ साइंस ऑफ सॉल। आज भी मैंने ये वर्ड यूज किया था, अगर आप शुरू से देख रहे हैं तो सॉल के बारे में नॉलेज होना बहुत बड़ी बात थी। हाँ, एक सेकंड होल्ड करना, मैं जरा निर्मल जी का, बाबूजी का टेलीफोन आ रहा है। हाँ बाबूजी बोलिए, आप क्या, जल्दी से बोलिए, मैं प्रश्न का जवाब दे रहा हूँ। हाँ, ओके। हाँ, आप अभी कुछ मत बोलिए बाबूजी, प्लीज। हाँ, देखिए, सो व्हाट आई वांट टू से, बाबूजी का टेलीफोन, आई शुड स्पीक इन इंग्लिश नाउ अगेन, ही रिमाइंडेड मी, बिकॉज देयर आर मेनी फॉरेन स्कॉलर्स आर देयर।
Correct, yeah,
so important point, the Ethiopia, that African countries has even much older than Asian, and even this part, South America has still one step ahead, that before Neminath, see, 6,000, 7,000 years before. So our Mahabharata time, that Neminath time was only 5,500 years before present, है ना? So now this is so it means whatever has been written in our agams or in the epics, which I found from various kinds of different books, that Prabhu Rishabdev, actually he walked all around the earth, and he could walk. उनके पाँव भी बहुत बड़े-बड़े थे, so he could walk, and I think he laid down the tradition everywhere. And all these 6 disciplines of his discovery time, that 6 inventions, Asi, Masi, Krashi, writing and culture and all those things, we can see everywhere. So I think Jainism, by and large, if I see and if I dig anywhere, this is very important point which I am telling. If we dig anywhere on the earth, say 5 to 10 feet or 100 feet, And if we try to excavate the culture, as German, my friend, he told everywhere that Shraman culture was there. This is very important. So whatever the German scholar German Jacobi, he told, it is very much correct. It is an independent religion, and it is a very old and ancient religion of nature. Okay, thank you. Now I have to invite my another colleague, Bhaskarji. Okay, so now किसका? नहीं बंद कर दे. Now बंद कर. Now I invite Dr. Bhakchand Bhaskar.
जी, उनका डिवाइस किस नाम से है?
भागचंद भास्कर के नाम से ही होगा.
जी, भागचंद भास्कर नाम से कोई डिवाइस नहीं है.
अब वो तो आप उनको पूछिए और हाथ
हाँ,
खड़ा.
भागचंद्र आईपैड नाम से है. एक मिनट.
हाँ. Okay. So I just give a very brief introduction of Mr. Bhakchand Bhaskar. मेरी आवाज आ रही है श्यामू?
आ रही है.
He is another like Nirmalji Sethi. He is a 85-year, I should say, young person with distinguished services in literature, arts, and education. Professor Bhaskar, actually, he is a professor, I should say, great academician of Buddhism, Jainism, Indology, and religious studies, and including Indian history, culture, etc. Professor Bhaskar has authored 70 plus books and more than 300 papers he has published. He has received more than 200, I think, some awards, including in 2004, Rashtrapati Award. What is the name of that Rashtrapati Award? I don't know, but he has received Rashtrapati Award. And he has received many honors and citations. And the most important thing which I would like to tell about him, he has really great knowledge, and that's why I think he received 3 times D.Litt, that is doctorate in literature, in Sanskrit, in Pali Prakrit, and in Hindi. So he is the one only person which I see in India, in our Jain, who has 3 D.Litt. He has guided 30 scholars, and he for PhD, etc. He is editor of some research journals also, and he has delivered more than 30 lectures in international conferences. So he is really a great scholar, and today it is my honor to invite such a big dignity and big professor. So I humbly and sincerely invite my colleague, Professor Bhakchand Bhaskar. Bhakchandji Bhaskar Sahab, please start your talk.
Yes, thank you very much, Professor Rajmal ji.
Thank you.
Respected, सुन रहे आवाज आ रही?
Yes, आ रही. Please start. Yes.
Yeah. So, respected scholars and dignitaries, really due to some internet problem, I could not hear the presentation of Professor Rajmal Jain. He must have given a good idea, a nice idea regarding Karal and
शिवम बेटा, शिवम,
हाँ,
उनका आवाज
जी, उनका नेटवर्क में प्रॉब्लम है, उनका डिवाइस अनम्यूट है.
डिवाइस अनम्यूट है?
हाँ जी.
बादशाह जी, वो अपनी बात सुन पाएंगे लेकिन नहीं सुन पाएंगे.
जी मालूम नहीं. एक बार है ना, उनको लेफ्ट होके फिर से ज्वाइंट होने के लिए बोलिए.
नहीं, वो मैं उनको एक बार टेलीफोन करता हूँ, हैं बेटा?
हाँ जी, ठीक है.
मैं बता देता हूँ कि आप
जी, वो लेफ्ट हो चुके हैं.
लेफ्ट हो चुके हैं?
हाँ जी.
मैं फिर तो भी बोल देता हूँ उनको.
ज्या व्यक्तीस आपण कॉल केलेला आहे ती सध्या इतर कोणाशी बोलत आहे.
उनका तो बिजी आ रहा है लेकिन टेलीफोन.
तब तक हम शायद किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो हम वो पूछ लेते हैं.
आई थिंक इफ देयर आर क्वेश्चन आई कैन टेक क्वेश्चंस. हैं, प्लीज आस्क.
भारत जैन मुखर्जी.
Yes, madam. Yes. Can you unmute your telephone?
Jai Jinendra to everybody.
Jai Jinendra.
This is Bharti Jain.
Yes.
I am running Namokar Gym, gymming without machine with mantras, Namokar mantra, mudra and mind power activities. As you talk about Jainism is all about science and soul. So I am working, and this is my research program. Yes, Jainism is all about science and soul. And when we talk about science and science of souls and karma, so soul and karma is the initial point of any jiva. So when we talk that Jainism is all about science of soul and karmas, so what I believe is, yes, research is going on that in every country we are finding the evidences of Jainism. So my point here is, when Jainism is all about science of soul and karma, so this is the pioneer of each and every jiva. So definitely it will be found in each and every country. Wherever we take our research, we will definitely find evidences of such things, because Jainism is nothing. It is a science. It is all about particles. It is all about the human body. It is all about the connection with the nature, the soul, the body and the mind. So it is all connected. So definitely, everything will definitely find evidences in each and every country. And this seminar is very informative, and we are inspired by you, Babuji, and such people. Definitely you said that a youngster should come up, and so we are here, always there for any kind of thing to spread the Jainism all around the world. So this is all what I would like to say, that I also use those mudras, how it affects your mind, body and soul. And I do take therapies, and you would be happy to know that I give therapy to even chronic patients as well. And during this Corona time, I have given therapies to patients, Corona patients as well. And to such patients who were infected by who are the kidney patients, and they came back with the therapy of this Namokar Gym, Namokar mantra therapy that I used to give. So when the things are connected to your karmas and you cut your karmas, your bad karmas, automatically good things will come to you. So whatever we are today,
Yes. Thank you very much, Bharti ji. I don't know whether you heard just a week back my lecture on scientific aspects of non-violence, or science of non-violence, ahimsa ka vigyan. But if you give me your WhatsApp, I will send you video. But one important thing which I would like to tell and endorse with you, because I am a scientist. I did not give my introduction today, and I thought it is okay. There is no need. I'm basically a scientist in the Department of Space at Physical Research Laboratory, and I retired from there. One thing which is very important, which I would like to share with you. Hello. So, you see, the Jainism believes that this whole universe is composed of the two important components. One is Jiva, that is Atma, Pran, and the other is the Ajiva, that is the particles. Okay. And Ajiva is composed of the four things. That is two forces, Dharmastika, Adharmastika, and two important things, Akash and Kal. Okay. And Jiv is Atma is everywhere. Atma is everywhere. Just a 1 minute hold, because our speaker is ready. Just 1 minute.
Sure.
हाँ, बागचंद जी बोलिए। आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि आप अपने माइक मोबाइल से टॉक दे सकते हैं। अगर पीपीटी छोड़ दीजिए, आप खाली लिखा हुआ हो तो आप बोलिए मोबाइल से। अच्छा। ओके, मैं जरा एक क्वेश्चन का जवाब दे रहा हूँ। ओके, फिर रहने देते हैं। but आप इस can you continue your try? Can you continue?
नाम किसका है?
हाँ, please continue. I think you will get it. Okay.
किस नाम से?
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Sorry, Bharti ji. So now this jiva is everywhere and it is actually of invisible size. Okay. Invisible size to the Panchendriya size. And you must hear my that lecture that what all the people are doing on this earth. I will send, if you will send me WhatsApp, I will send you on the WhatsApp the link of that.
I send my number on this chat 9891.
Now the problem between Jainism and the modern science. The modern science believes only in Pudgal.
Right.
Pudgal, and that is the even radiation they consider as a part of Pudgal. Okay, so radiation and matter, that is the energy, and the whole science, modern science believes on that energy transformation even for the birth of a life organism. While on the Jainism, on the contrary, you know the consciousness, Chetana.
Right.
Okay? So Jeev is a Chetana, and that Pran or whatever Atma, it is everywhere, and even whether it is a small micro nano organism or it is a Panchendriya Jeev, five sense life, Atma is everywhere. Okay, without soul, without consciousness, a life cannot exist. That is the basic principle of Jainism. Okay, now this Atma, if I consider like a person like me or you, or a mosquito or a cow, now depending on the size, physical size, the Atma is actually composed of small Atma Pradesha, Atma Pradesh. Okay, that small zones, and each small zone is further again composed, that Atma Pradesh is composed of real neutral, that soul, that is Prana Chetana, plus which is embedded in the Karman Sharir and Tejas Sharir. Okay, and Tejas is nothing but what we call nowadays is plasma. Okay, that plasma, in those days Tejas name was given by Mahavir, and Karman means the whatever the work that deeds, whatever work we do, that is transferred. So I think you may like to listen my that to which I gave talk to the Florida International University, that was in English, and the same thing I gave in Hindi just last week. So whatever you like, I will send to you, and there I have given a explanation of that. Now the problem which you say is very important. Until unless this modern science accepts the existence of consciousness, that jiva, science is incomplete. Why Jainism is complete? Because it has two things, jiva and ajiva, while the science has only ajiva, and without jiva, science is incomplete. So many experiments, many theories of science are incomplete because they don't consider the presence or existence of Atma.
Atma, right.
Okay. So, I mean, I have done a lot of work, and you may like to listen the pravachans of Acharya Kanagnandi ji, which I will also communicate that once, twice in a week he gives, and you can ask n number of questions, because he is along with the Jainism, he is a scientific scholar also.
Definitely, it would be my pleasure to go through that.
Yes.
And I would also share my talk on this science and spirituality, which I gave in International Conference for Peace and Non-Violence.
Sure.
For your comment.
Sure. You send me your email ID on your WhatsApp, which you send to me. If you wish my WhatsApp number, if you have paper and pen, you can write down also my WhatsApp number. 94.
Just.
Everybody can note down 9427 00 1972. I repeat again 9427 00 1972.
Nine 427 00
1972।
1972।
हाँ बाबूजी बोलिए। आपकी आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है, क्या है? आप क्या? हेलो हेलो, हाँ बोलिए। आप क्या बोल रहे हैं बाबूजी? बोलिए ना। हेलो, अरे हाथ पहले इनका खत्म होने दीजिए, जितनों को बोलना सबको बोलने दीजिए। आप मेरे को इस तरह से डिस्टर्ब करेंगे, मैं कैसे सुनूंगा, मैं कैसे गाइड करूंगा? हाँ हेलो शिवम, शिवम।
यस राजमल जी।
उठाए मत। हाँ शिवम,
बोलिए ना।
कोई डॉक्टर सिंह जो है वो प्रश्न, डॉक्टर एलसी जैन साहब क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं। डॉक्टर एलसी जैन साहब को प्रश्न पूछने दो। डॉक्टर एलसी जैन साहब, डॉक्टर विक्रम सिंह, डॉक्टर सिंह करके हैं
जी।
सुधीर सिंह होंगे मेरा ख्याल, डॉक्टर सुधीर सिंह। देखो तुम
जी डॉक्टर एलसी जैन को स्पॉटलाइट कर दिया है।
हाँ डॉक्टर एलसी जैन साहब को करिए। हाँ एक ये पिक्चर आया अभी, वो किसका था? डॉक्टर एलसी जैन साहब प्लीज अनम्यूट करिए।
जी उनका ऑडियो और वीडियो दोनों म्यूट है।
हाँ डॉक्टर एलसी जैन साहब आपका ऑडियो अनम्यूट करिए, वीडियो भी अनम्यूट करिए। हेलो
नमस्कार, कोविड-19
हाँ जी वो स्पॉटलाइट पे अभी
आ गए। हेलो एलसी जैन साहब, हाँ अनम्यूट करिए आपका माइक। यस हेलो, उनका अनम्यूट कर दो ना तुम शिवम।
अनम्यूट किया है, उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट नहीं की।
हेलो जैन साहब अनम्यूट करिए। यस अनम्यूट करिए। वो मेरे को वापस टेलीफोन कर।
जी राजमल जी।
हाँ मैं उनको
जी वो
टेलीफोन कर
अपना
रहा हूँ।
डिवाइस अनम्यूट नहीं कर रहा।
virus disease or COVID-19, we will have to stay indoors.
डॉक्टर एलसी जैन प्लीज अनम्यूट योर डिवाइस।
हाँ अभी अनम्यूट हो गया, मेरा सुनाई दे रहा है?
जी आपकी आवाज आ रही है, डॉक्टर एलसी जैन ने अब तक अनम्यूट नहीं किया।
प्लीज डॉक्टर एलसी जैन साहब आप अनम्यूट करिए, अनम्यूट। नहीं लग रहा है ना उनको, बिजी आ रहा है ना। वो उठा भी तो नहीं रहे, वो शायद टेलीफोन से कर रहे हैं।
The spread of coronavirus disease or COVID-19, we will
हेलो
have to
जैन
stay
साहब।
indoors. Step out only if it is very essential and keep a distance of at least 1 meter from others while doing so. Hello?
हाँ जैन साहब आप अपना अनम्यूट करिए, अनम्यूट। मैं देख रहा हूँ आपको। आप
अनम्यूट तो यहाँ अपने यहाँ से कर रहा हूँ, आ रहा है कि आप लोग अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हैं।
नहीं वो उन्होंने अलाउ, आपने मेरा बल्कि अनम्यूट म्यूट कर दिया था।
अच्छा
आप अपना अनम्यूट करिए, आपका खुद का।
तो ये बाएं तरफ जो अनम्यूट लिखा है वही तो कर रहा हूँ मैं।
हाँ तो उसको अनम्यूट लिखा है तो उसको करिए ना, बटन दबाइए उसके ऊपर।
अच्छा
आपका जो कर्सर या आप अंगुली से जहाँ से वहां से मोबाइल से कर रहे तो अंगुली दबाइए वहाँ।
आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ रही होगी। हाँ जी हो गया।
एक नोट हो गया
जी नहीं।
हाँ हो गया सर, हो गया।
हाँ
हो गया।
हाँ हो गया।
बोलिए।
जी फिर से म्यूट हो गया।
अरे यार, कोई दूसरा
जी उन्होंने
है?
फिर से म्यूट कर दिया।
शिवम दूसरा कोई है?
जी उनकी।
हेलो
जी किसको? हाँ जी बोलिए।
हेलो, हाँ अनम्यूट हो गया है। हेलो हाँ हो गया, अनम्यूट हो गया।
आ रही है आपकी आवाज, बोलिए।
हाँ हेलो, भास्कर जी बोल रहे हैं? भास्कर जी हाँ क्या हो रहा है? छोड़ दे, अभी छोड़ दीजिए आप, कोई बात नहीं, खत्म हो रहा है। ओके। हाँ, जैन साहब नहीं हो रहा है उनका। शिवम
जी उन्होंने फिर से म्यूट कर दिया, हम किसी और के पास चलते हैं।
हाँ, किसी और के पास चलिए। कोई ये सेठी जी बोल रहे हैं, कोई सिंह है, डॉक्टर सिंह सर। मेरे ख्याल सुधीर सिंह जी हैं या शिंदे साहब हैं, कौन है? यस, हाँ, हेलो, अनम्यूट करिए प्लीज, अनम्यूट योर मोबाइल।
जी बोलिए, आपका डिवाइस अनम्यूट हो चुका है।
हेलो, हेलो, प्लीज स्पीक। बोल क्यों नहीं रहे हैं, क्या हुआ?
जी
शिवम
जी मैंने उन
हेलो
राजमान जी, मैंने उनको अनम्यूट कर दिया है।
हेलो, हाँ सिंह साहब बोलिए।
जी नमस्कार, सुन रहे हैं राजमल जी?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आपकी आवाज आ रही है सर, कब से आ रही है।
मैंने सोचा कि आप लोग उनको जैन साहब को अनुरोध कर रहे हैं, वो लगातार लगे।
नहीं, उनका नहीं हो रहा, उनको एक्चुअली वो अनम्यूट करते तुरंत ही म्यूट वापस हो जाता है। आई थिंक ही इज डबल क्लिकिंग ओवर देयर।
जी जी हो जाता है। मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि आज जो राजमल जी ने अपना एक प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है, पर्टिकुलरली अमेरिका वाला, जो लैटिन अमेरिका वाला जो उन्होंने अपना रखा है।
Can you speak in English, sir? English, because
Okay,
there are other
I
scholars.
understand. So, I'm Dr. Sudhir Singh. I teach in University of Delhi. Today, Professor Ajmal Jain has presented a very nice paper on, American scenario, how the team has gone there and how they have discovered the things. And he has also stressed that the kind of evidences the team got there, on that basis he is able to conclude certain recommendations. But I think his paper is more than full of evidences, and certain more explorations are needed to verify the facts which he already laid down before us. And I understand that those explorations will shed new lights on the issue which Honorable Nirmalji Sethi is insisting since last many decades, and commendable job has been done in this field. But as we have started to visit various continent or various countries of the continent. So this particular presentation by Professor Ajmal Ji Jain is one of the best, because it is in far-flung area from India as far as geographical distance is concerned. But even though the spread, the imprint of Jainism is very much there, and he has kindly lamented on all those evidences, all those living evidences particularly. And those things are very, very important to, we can use it as a thread to go further. And that will be a big achievement to prove the hypothesis that certain things were already there, and it was in you can say BC. So it was a big achievement. But the question is that these kind of efforts need sustainability, and also need certain literature to be produced out of those explorations. So younger generation, the research community would be able to take care of those things if they will to write some paper, research paper or PhD thesis or more presentations have to be made on those basis. So this is a particular evidence-based research, but that need to be reproduced as a literature, hard copy as well as soft copy, because soft copy has become very, very important today. Within one stroke, entire world is able to look into your paper. So in that sense, Rajmalji has contributed enormously towards the final aims and objectives, which was laid down by the Digambar Jain Mahasabha, led by its dynamic leader Nirmal Kumar ji. I congratulate Rajmal ji for his excellent achievements, excellent analysis of the entire things. And I must tell you that see, you are a scientist, but here you worked as more as a social scientist. A scientist can be a very good social scientist, but a social scientist cannot be a very good scientist. So you have a benefit to act more focused than us, so which is reflected in your this particular paper. So again, I congratulate you and wish you all the best, and also hope that in once this corona period will be over, hopefully will be over within next couple of months. So again, this kind of exercises will take place, and areas where explorations have not been made till date will be taken care of, and fresh inventions will be made. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Singh. I am really very great thanks to you. But I wish to convey you, I'm already in the process of writing a book on the Karal civilization. Number one.
Great.
Number
Great.
two book I am writing Antiquity of Jainism, almost some few 100,000 years back, starting from that. Now scientific evidences are there, and we call in our Jainism. You know very well many things about our Jainism. That Kal Chakra is there. You know, right? Kal Chakra, Utsarpanikal and Avsarpanikal. So mathematical analysis we have done, and the Earth has already given Earth's sediments we brought from various places, and it has shown that the climate cycle. So actual Jain time cycle is nothing but a climate cycle. And I have discovered from that many things, and I would like to include that part also in the Antiquity of Jainism. But you must be aware the 10 earlier incarnations of Bhagwan Adinath. So some people who do not believe, due to many their reservations of mind or whatsoever, I don't want to say. But this book, I hope, will give a milestone about the antiquity of Jainism. And I already have blessings of Babuji, Nirmalji Sethi. He has already promised before starting writing, Rajmalji, you please write the books. I will publish n number of books, whatever you write. So we will go ahead with that. Thank you very much, Professor Singh, for your kind suggestions.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. And I am yet to complete the paper of my presentation for that workshop which you organized, conference. Okay, any other question, beta?
Surendra Jain, from Surendra Jain.
Surendra Jain, acha. Haji, Surendra ji, yes. Please unmute your mic. हाँ, unmute your mic. हाँ, आपका चेहरा दिखाई दे रहा है लेकिन. Hello, unmute.
Jai Jinendra, sir.
Jai Jinendra, हाँ.
I am from Surat, and basically I am from Sagoda.
आपका नाम क्या बताया? सुरेंद्र.
Surendra Jain. Basically from Sagoda.
अरे very good. You are from my native place.
Yes, yes.
What
Sir,
are you doing? क्या करते हैं? What are you doing?
I am just in textile business.
Oh, okay. Textile.
At Surat.
Okay, very good.
Sir, my question is that now we are connecting that all time. Jainism is there, but now any effect there in that countries?
No, it was very much nurtured and very much it was existing in those countries Okay, but after Spanish War invaded or the whole South America continent, okay, the most of the areas they were converted by religion, then they forced to change from vegetarian food to non-vegetarian. This is what we heard from those people only, from their grandparents. I mean, and their grandparents, they told that yes, our grandparents were pure vegetarian. They were doing this kind of thing. They were doing this kind of things. But we had to change because of the invaded forces. Okay.
Can we try to now continue again there?
But on the other hand, let me complete. On the other hand, in Ethiopia, although Christianism came, Muslim Islam came, but those Orthodox Christians, they are still holding their earlier old values. They are still practicing fast, for example. They are still doing worshipping like our Jain tradition. Although it is a church, but the whole architecture of that whole building is just like a temple. And their dressing, their dress of the woman, it is just like a Terapanthi Sadhvi Mataji. Okay. And people, I mean, by and large, still, I mean, they are holding, but it is not very old time. It is only 3,000 years before present. But the culture which I told today, the Ethiopia culture is before Parashnath, okay? And the culture which I told today, it is before Neminath, or maybe even before Naminath also. We don't know because we don't know exact, but definitely before Neminath. Because why Neminath? Because Neminath was a cousin brother of Krishna, Mahabharata time. Okay, and Mahabharata, we know that it was 5,500 years, roughly 6,000 years before present. Okay, so and whatever I talked today, I gave all evidences that is 5,000 to 10,000 years before. Okay, so this is so now actually I am very happy that through this our Digambar Jain Mahasabha and through our motivation by Nirmalji, actually we could discover two these important things before, I mean, Parashnath and Mahavir. Otherwise, we were always, I mean, considering that Jainism by and large well established only by these two Tirthankars, but it is not. Actually, it was rather in a better way. The Shraman culture was much in a better way that हमारे जो साधुओं की प्रक्रिया processes जो हैं, they were in a better way in during that time.
Nice, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Shivam, anybody now?
No
Shivam
more
beta?
questions, Rajmal ji. No more questions.
No more questions. तो फिर आप close करिए.
Sir, can I get these books from anywhere?
Yes, you can see on the internet also about the Maya civilization, Karal civilization. But as I told, related to Jainism, I mean this Karal civilization, linking to the Jainism, I am writing a book on the Karal civilization, that signature of Niganta tradition. निगंता मतलब हमारे नग्न जो साधु हैं, जहां से जैन धर्म शुरू हुआ था. उस समय जैन नाम नहीं था. उस समय जैन धर्म का नाम, जैन जो वीर बना ना, जीन शब्द, ओके, दैट इज फ्रॉम महावीर टाइम.
तो चलिए राजमल जी अभी एंड कर देते.
नहीं, और कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है
जी? नहीं.
ओके, so now let us close. Okay, I say thank you very much to all of you with my folding hands to attend this today's webinar, and I really express my sorry that my another colleague Professor Bhagchand Bhaskar could not present his work and his talk because of internet problem. Maybe next time we will make some good arrangement for him so he can give a talk about the historical events. Some events in the history of Jainism. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice evening. Thank you very much. Jai Jinendra, Jai Jinendra, Jai Jinendra.